I had a good day at work, and now we're gonna go for a nice rip. It's really, really cold though. It was warm this morning, and hopefully my scooter has enough battery power to get me home. I just wanna thank you, your loving kindness.
Like a doll made of glass, I will never break if I don't let you pass into my world, my crystal ball. What's inside my heart, you don't need to know. Taking a breath, closing my eyes, taking a break. I don't want to run, I cherish myself, so don't cross the line. All the old times stare into your eyes. Please be quiet, do not break the silence. I'm not losing time, I want to waste it with you. Please be quiet, do not break the silence. Like a doll made of glass, I will never break if I don't let you pass into my world, my crystal ball. What's inside my heart, you don't need to know. Like a doll made of glass, I will never break if I don't let you pass into my world, my crystal ball. What's inside my heart, you don't need to know. Like a doll made of glass, I am not to blame, but to watch and behold this crystal ball around my soul. What's inside my mind, you don't need to know.
I can only do one pack. I can't feel my bloody hands. It just strolled all the way home. Like I barely made it. Like I thought I was going to be walking.